Are you tired of scrolling endlessly through the charts looking for the ideal Forex pairs for swing trading? In this video, I will teach you the proven technique that will help you to select perfect pairs for swing trading. Watch this video until the end, because at the end of this video, I will share useful tips that will take your swing trading to the next level. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. And I want to start with the theory first. Remember, traders, that the market never goes straight up or down. The market always trades in the sequence of impulse and retracement legs. And your goal as a trader is to catch the market when it initiates the impulse. Your task is to identify the point from where the next impulse leg may initiate, and from that point you are looking for swing trading opportunities. And even though the market moves in impulse and retracement legs on any time frame, remember that for swing trading we will look for the impulse legs on a daily time frame. According to the classic price action rules, we will say that the market is trading in a bearish trend if the price forms a bearish impulse, retraces and sets a lower high, and then sets a new level low. Once these conditions are met, we see that the market is bearish. The market is bullish if we see at least one bullish impulse, the retracement with the higher low, and the next bullish impulse with a new higher high. Once these three conditions are met, we see that the market is trading in a bullish trend. If the market is trading in a bearish trend, bearish legs, bearish moves will be called the impulses, and the bullish movements, the correctional movements, will be called the retracement legs. And being a swing trader, your task will be to look for the initiation of only the bearish impulses, not the bullish ones. For example, dollar index is trading in a bearish trend, and once that actually was reached, from that level the market started a correctional movement. So, being a swing trader, you should only look for shorting, you should only look for trend following, and you should wait until that correctional movement ends. And you should look for the signs of the initiation of the next bearish wave to sell. In a bullish trend, bullish leg will be called the impulses, and the bearish legs, the correctional movements, will be called the retracement. So if the market is trading in a bullish trend, being a swing trader, you should look for the initiation of bullish impulses, not the bearish legs. Pound yen pair is trading in a strong bullish trend, and once that high was reached, from that high the market started a correctional movement. Swing trader should only look for buying here. The trend is bullish, and swing trader should patiently wait for the completion of that retracement leg and look for the initiation of a bullish impulse to buy. If the market is trading in a bearish trend and you see the retracement after a completion of the last bearish impulse from where the next bearish impulse will initiate, you should analyze the key levels. And you should remember that the market may easily keep retracing till the level of the last lower high is reached. So that is the entire zone from where the next bearish movement may start. And within that area, you should look for shorting. And the best places to look for short from are always based on key levels. So you should analyze the key levels, and you should look for strong resistances, the horizontal ones and the vertical ones. And from one of those, you should look for a continuation to sell. Yours was trading in a bearish trend, and recently the price set a new level low from where we see the initiation of a correctional movement. So from where you should look for swing trading, you should first spot the last lower high. Here it goes. That is important structure right here, because if the price violates that, the bearish trend will be violated. So that is the first strong zone from where you should look for shorting. Lower analyzing the key levels, we also have important zone of supply right here. We have very important historical resistance that first was a support and after the breakout turned into resistance. Then lower over here, we also have very important structure from where just recently strong bearish movement initiated. So in a bearish trend, you can let the market correct till one of these zones is reached. And from one of the zones, your goal as a swing trader will be to look for confirmation to sell, expecting the next strong bearish wave. Hey traders, subscribe to my free Telegram channel. There I share with you daily forecasts and signals. There I share with you educational material. It is called VasilyTrader. The link in the description below. Follow me and let's continue. If the market is trading in a bullish trend and you see that the market completed the last bullish impulse, and from that you see the correctional movement, the retracement leg, you should look for buy and you should identify the safe zones from where you can buy. In order to do that, first, identify the level of the last high value. While the market is trading above the level of the last high value, the market remains bullish. And if the market violates the level of the last high value to the downside, the trend will be violated. So within that entire area, you should look for buying. And your safest points to buy from will be based on historical key level. You should analyze the vertical and horizontal key levels, and from there you should look for buying. Pound dollar is trading in a strong bullish trend, and from that high the market started a correctional movement, a retracement. First, identify the last high value. Here it goes. That area right here is important because if the price violates that, the market will violate the current bullish trend. So that will be the first area to watch. And higher, you should also analyze the key levels. We have important key level right here. It was a strong resistance, and after the breakout, it may turn into support. Also, analyzing the trend lines, we have a very strong rising trend line right here. That is a very important vertical support. So being a swing trader, from one of these three structures, you should look for buy. You should look for confirmation to buy, expecting the next strong bullish wave. Also remember that the market can be in three states. The market can be bullish, bearish, but the market may also consolidate. And if you see that the market is acting randomly, if the price moves in random zigzags, it means that the market is in a consolidation. And such a market is not appropriate for swing trading. For example, New Zealand dollar acts very chaotically, and we cannot spot here the signs of a bullish trend, and we cannot spot here the signs of a bearish trend. The market is consolidating, and for that reason, such a pair is not appropriate for swing trading. So when you are looking for the Forex pair for swing trading, first you analyze the market trend. If the trend is bearish, you are looking for shorting after the completion of the retracement, and you are looking for the key resistances from where to short from. If the market is bullish, if the market is trading in a bullish trend, you're looking for the completion of the retracement, and you are looking for buying from the key supports. And in order to identify the best instruments for swing trading, you should create this separate chart layout where you analyze the key levels on a daily time frame for all the instruments in your watch list. You underline support and resistance, supply and demand zones, the trend lines. For example, euro dollar pair is definitely trading in a bullish trend, and the market recently completed the last bullish impulse from where we see the retracement. You can see that the market is currently testing a key support, and definitely for us the conditions for the best swing trading pair are met. So we flag that instrument in our watch list, and here we look for swing trading setups. Then we open the next instrument, pound dollar. Again, bullish trend, the market recently completed the bullish impulse, and we see the retracement to key support. Again, the conditions for swing trading are met, so we flag that instrument in our watch list, and we are looking for buying here. Dollar yen pair, the market is trading in a bullish trend, and recently the market completed the bullish impulse from where the market dropped, reached a key support, and from that support a bullish movement initiated. So even though the market is bullish, you can see that currently the market is trading far from key levels, so that instrument we skip. Dollar CAD pair. Here we are trading in a bearish trend, and you can see that from that Leo, the market recently started a correctional movement. And for now, our closest resistance, our closest point from where we can look for shorting is right here. So again, dollar CAD for now is not appropriate for swing trading, so we skip it. And you keep scanning your watch list until you go through all the instruments in your watch list. So we are looking for the best swing trading setups from key levels. And most of the time when you will scan your watch list, you will realize that most of the instruments are trading far from key levels. And in order to not miss the test of important key level, do not forget to set the alerts. Here in Euro Yen, we have a strong rising trend line and strong horizontal support from where we can look for swing trades in this strong bullish trend. So on the trend line, you can set the alert and you will be notified once the market tests that trend line. And on that yellow area, you can draw the horizontal line on its upper boundary and you can set the alert on that so that once the price tests that, you will get the notification. Also, traders, do not forget to check your key levels at least once a week, because occasionally the market violates the key levels or starts respecting the new ones. Once you identify the best pairs for Forex trading, then you look for confirmation. Then you look for the swing trading setups, and let me know, traders, in the comment section if you want me to share with you what kind of confirmations I am personally looking for. For more education, for more tips, do not forget to subscribe to my free Telegram channel, the link in the description below. Also, traders, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you soon.